How to apply for Revolut credit card. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch a preferred browser in your device. In the browser, you can search for Revolut or just tap open your Revolut application. If not, you can open up your Play Store or App Store to get yourself your Revolut app. You have to apply for a Revolut credit card through the app itself. Once you have the application, it is easier to apply for it. Here's a quick breakdown of the step. Firstly, launch your Revolut application and tap on the account selector below your current balance. Select on Add New, then Credit followed by Credit Cards. You'll be directed to fill out a short credit application. This will provide Revolut with the information they need to access your eligibility. Once they have reviewed your application, you will receive a notification with the decision. If approved, you'll be able to review the credit card offer. Upon accepting the offer, you can choose between a physical or a virtual card, or you can even get both. However, you will receive virtual card much more immediately than your physical card. And by this way, you'll be able to apply for a Revolut credit card. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.